All right, let's talk about the one piece of code that makes the entire modern web tick. You use it every single day, probably without even realizing it. We are talking, of course, about JavaScript.
I mean, really think about it. You know when you click a button and a menu just magically appears? Or you're scrolling down a page and these cool animations pop into view? Or you're filling out a form and it tells you instantly if you missed something? What is the magic behind all that?
Yup, you guessed it. For pretty much every interactive thing you do online, JavaScript is the engine humming away behind the scenes. So let's actually break down what it is and why it's become so incredibly important.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to start with the basics, what JavaScript actually does, then we'll look at its key features, see all the wild places it's used in the real world, and finally, wrap up with why it completely totally dominates the web today.
So, first things first. What is JavaScript really? Let's build a solid foundation before we go any further.
Okay, I know, that sounds a little technical, right? Let's translate. High level just means it's written in a way that's closer to human language, which makes it way easier to learn. Dynamic is the cool part. It means it can change stuff on a web page without you having to hit reload. Its main job at the end of the day is to run inside your browser and create all those smooth, engaging experiences we've all come to expect online.
And this right here is the absolute core of it. Before JavaScript, websites were basically just digital documents, kind of like reading a Word doc online. Static, unchanging. JavaScript came along and turned them into living, breathing applications. I mean, what started as a simple little tool for making pop-up alerts has now evolved to power ridiculously complex apps like Google Maps and Netflix, all running right there in your browser.
So we get what it is. But how does it do all this stuff? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the key features that make this language so powerful.
There are a few things that make JavaScript so special. For starters, its syntax is pretty simple and forgiving, which makes it one of the best languages for beginners to pick up. It's also event-driven, which means it's literally just sitting there waiting for you to do something, like click or scroll or press a key, and then it springs into action. Plus, it's asynchronous, a fancy word for saying it can do a bunch of things at once without getting bogged down. That's what makes websites feel so fast and responsive. And maybe the biggest reason for its success, it runs in every single modern browser, automatically. You don't have to install a thing. On top of all that, there's this massive community building free tools and frameworks that help developers build amazing things way, way faster.
So because it's so flexible, you can pretty much build anything with it. And I am not exaggerating. Let's take a look at just how far JavaScript's empire has expanded.
I mean, just look at this range. Of course, you have the front end, the user interfaces of all of the websites you love. But now, with tools like Node.js, it also runs the back-end servers that do all the heavy lifting. You can build mobile apps that feel just like native apps. Desktop apps, like Slack or VS Code, those are built with JavaScript. You can even get into game development and artificial intelligence. It has totally broken out of the browser.
Okay, all of this brings us to our final and maybe most important question. Why does any of this matter? Why should you care about this one programming language?
This number is why. Over 95%. Let that sink in. More than 95% of all websites on the entire internet use JavaScript. It isn't just popular. It's fundamental to how the web works now. This chart really puts that number into perspective, doesn't it? I mean, think about your day. Every time you shop online, check your social media, use a map, stream a show, you are interacting with JavaScript. It has become the undisputed universal language of the web. And the logical conclusion from that fact is pretty simple. If you want to build things for the modern world, you need to know JavaScript. It's not just a nice-to-have, it's a cornerstone skill for pretty much any software developer today. So if you ever need that perfect, quick and dirty summary to explain it to somebody, this quote just nails it. It covers everything. It's high level, it's super versatile, it's what makes websites interactive, it can be used for the full stack of development, and it powers the digital world we live in. Perfect. And that's really where we'll leave it. It's already conquered the web, mobile, and even the desktop. So the real question isn't what JavaScript can do anymore, it's what will it build next? As technology keeps evolving, you can bet that JavaScript will be right there, building the future.